No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license,
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself, and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on video.
On March 8, 2023, a traffic stop in Orange County, Florida, escalated from a suspended license dispute into 2 felony charges and a use of force incident.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Robin, copy of verbal altercation.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended, and you have a seized tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right. You made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update that. You didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera thing.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here? Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper. I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry?
What's the point?
Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to say something.
113508,
Okay.
Blackmail order.
I'll be right back. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I
Okay,
want. If I
ma'am.
can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
to
says
get
you need
back
to get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in
Let
your
me
car.
see it. Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license,
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself, and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my things.
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her if there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is. I will
but
give
you
you
can't
all the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Till you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
Yes, you can.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay how are you going to do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am,
I have 2 kids. I take care of
Go
them.
stand by your car.
And then you're going to tell me
Go
to
stand by your car. Go stand by your car.
Yesterday and I paid over
Okay.
$200
Ma'am,
to the fucking court.
you're this close to going to jail.
Don't give a
Okay.
You're trying to take my shit.
You're this close to go to jail.
You're a fucking ass.
Go have a seat by your car. Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get
That hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Asshole! What the Oh my God, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you? Look at my hair! I didn't do nothing to you! What the
Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick! I don't...
County 249.
59.
Show it the black female 1015. In Danvers in normal.
249. One time.
You guys okay?
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Yes, sir. Be careful.
Need 3 units.
You got it. Cap.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
The stop was constitutionally grounded. Running a plate does not implicate the Fourth Amendment under Illinois versus Cabals, 2005. Probable cause existed before first contact. When the driver exited the vehicle and approached the patrol car, the officer correctly invoked Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 434, United States 106, 1977. Mimms establishes that an officer may order a driver to remain in or return to a vehicle during a lawful stop. That order is binding. Noncompliance is a criminal exposure point. The impoundment was authorized under Florida Statute Section 322.34, subsection 9. 4 prior suspensions on record provided unambiguous statutory authority. Re-entering the vehicle and driving away while the stop was active violates Florida Statute Section 316.1935, fleeing and eluding a law enforcement officer. When evasive action is involved, the offense elevates to a felony of the 3rd degree, carrying a maximum of 5 years. One decision transformed a traffic citation into a felony. Force during the extraction is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1989, using an objective reasonableness standard. All 3 Graham factors were present: a 3rd degree felony committed, active physical resistance, and prior demonstrated flight. The legal threshold for hands-on force was met. The resisting with violence charge under Section 843.01 is the most contested. The officer alleged a punch. The driver denied it, citing both hands behind her back. If bodycam and backup footage do not corroborate the allegation, this charge faces a significant evidentiary burden. Florida requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt, not a post-arrest assertion.
Time for a unit to finally kick in.
Huh?
245.
I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. I'm not calling.
Did you take these handcuffs?
Nope, you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going to the
now, and then
ground. I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I
video.
don't even know how to
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, it's all on video. You all right?
Are you?
Yep. You want to?
I'm sorry, car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
24 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took the punches. I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
$1,000 yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I'm
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
with the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't.
Here.
You don't have the right to leave.
Okay, so I'm
In reference to Schedule 30.
Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Huh?
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do nothing.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done, and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me
Yeah.
a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just
I'm
one
gonna go
on
get
a
my kid.
traffic stop. And she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh? Yes,
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. Can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two people.
Been a while, man.
And if it's a
Can I
DNR,
leave, please?
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got stuff to do.
Your knee and my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much do I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. And then you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Want to go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. This doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me. So my car didn't get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're going to tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You're going to go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's going to feed my fucking kids? Who's going to put my fucking kids to bed? They're going to wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're going to throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? If I get fucked, how do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the f*** does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapon. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady in the car was lying. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have. So f***ing hero.
3 charges filed: resisting with violence, a felony of the 3rd degree, obstruction without, Violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. Fleeing and eluding, a felony of the third degree. Combined maximum, 10 years. The officer receives a B+, legally grounded stop, correct Mimms citation, lawful impoundment, sound backup decision. Deductions, communication escalated too fast, and the unverified punch allegation raises a post-incident accuracy concern. Jasmine receives a D. Driving on a suspended license is a strict liability offense. Knowledge and of the suspension is not required. Flight converted a traffic matter into a felony. Physical resistance compounded it further. Circumstances matter morally. They do not alter the statute. Lesson 1. A courthouse payment does not reinstate a suspended license. Reinstatement requires DHSMV system processing, a separate step that can take days. Verify status directly before returning to the road. Driving on the assumption of reinstatement is legally no defense. Lesson 2. Under Mimms, an officer's order to stay in or return to a vehicle is not optional. Exiting to argue a grievance at the patrol car is the wrong move legally and tactically. The correct response is compliance first, legal challenge second through a court, not a conversation. Lesson 3. Fleeing an active traffic stop is never a proportionate response to a disputed enforcement decision. The original violations carried civil penalties. The flight charge alone carries 5 years. Emotion in the moment does not reduce the sentence. Lesson 4. When an allegation of violence against an officer cannot be corroborated by footage, it becomes a serious credibility issue at trial. Bodycam is a two-way record. It protects officers from false resistance claims, and it protects subjects from false violence claims. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.